Hello everyone and welcome to another sweet learning experience with Saoirse Who is Sweet. Today we're going to be talking about inverse variation. It's on page 144, lesson 3.8 in your books. So I hope I'll be able to help you do what you need to do, so let's get started. Today's key idea is on inverse variation, which is when two quantities x and y show inverse variation when y equals k over x, when k is a number and k is not 0. So basically, inverse variation is like the opposite of direct variation, because we knew that in direct variation the equation was y equals kx. Well, now inverse variation is y equals k over x. And we're going to get a little bit into it in the more examples. Okay, so they want us to tell whether x and y show direct variation, inverse variation, or neither, and explain our reasoning. Okay, so if we have 5y equals x, what we want to do is we want to see if it becomes y equals kx or y equals k over x. So we're going to solve for y, and we'll divide by 5, so now y equals 1/5 times x. And we see that that goes into y equals kx. So we know that this is an example of direct variation. Okay? Let's do another one. Okay, so if we have 1/3 y equals 1 over x. Well, we want to solve for y. So we will multiply by 3 over 1, multiply by 3 over 1. These cancel out, these cancel out, these cancel out. So now y equals 3 over x, and so we know that that is the equation y equals k over x. We know this is an example of inverse variation. Okay? Go ahead and try x equals 1 over 7y. When you're ready, check your answer. Unpause the video. Okay, so we're going to solve for y. So we are going to multiply by 7 over 1, multiply by 7 over 1. So now we get 7 x equals y. So that means that this is an example of y equals kx. So this is direct variation. Okay? Okay, so let's now try negative x equals y plus 7. So we want to solve for y, so we're going to subtract 7, negative x minus 7 equals y. Okay, this does not look like y equals kx or y equals k over x. So this is nothing. This is not inverse or direct. Okay, so let's try y minus 1 equals 2x. So go ahead and pause the video when you have your answer unpaused to check. So we're going to solve for y, so we add 1, 2x plus 1 equals y. So this can't be written as y equals kx or y equals k over x, so this is not inverse or direct. Let's do one more. 2y equals 1 over x. Okay, when you're ready to check your answer, unpause the video. So we're solving for y, so we divide by 2, which really means that we're going to be multiplying by 2 over 1. So now this becomes y equals 2 over x. So this is an example of inverse because the equation for inverse is y equals k over x. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope I was able to help you do what you need to do in math today. This has been another sweet learning experience with Saoirse. You guys are all awesome. Have a great day.